Hey, it's Victor Dedaj. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I am in Las Vegas, Nevada at a mansion mastermind having an amazing time. So one of the things I want to encourage you to do is to go to mastermind events. They are very powerful. A lot of great things happen there. Number one, you surround yourself with successful people. The thing is, we're surrounded by negativity all the time. Many of the people around us are very negative. They don't want to change their lives. They don't encourage us in our ambitions. So when you come to these mastermind events, you're surrounded by like-minded people who want to help you, want to support you in your goals and your dreams. And you're often going to be surrounded by very successful people. Their energy is going to rub off on you, and they can give you some golden nuggets that can change your life. I mean, we've been here a day already and we're already learning a lot of good things. Last night, one of my mentors, a 7-figure earner, flew in 10 hours from the Dominican Republic. He was going to hang out with us for a little while, but he stayed for a few hours and he was sharing lots of golden nuggets. There are a lot of great things we're going to start implementing that we know is going to make our businesses that much more successful. Now here's the thing, he will never share some of that stuff on a webinar, but because we were at this event and he showed up at that event, he started sharing all that wisdom with us. And that happens all the time. You know, we have these little breaks, we're talking to other fellow entrepreneurs and they're sharing some of their wisdom with us, and it's, you know, it's incredible some of the things we're learning and the little tweaks that can just totally change your business. And that's why I'm so happy I come to these events. So what you need to realize is you need to come to these events because you're going to build a lot of friendships, you're going to build a lot of relationships, you might partner with some of these people, and you're going to learn a lot of great things. You're going to meet a lot of successful people. And what you need to realize is you need to invest in yourself. Get to these masterminds. Think of it this way, when you invest in a stock, you invest it because you think it's good stock, it's worth investing in. If you don't invest in a stock, it's because you don't think it's worth investing in. If you don't invest in yourself, what you're saying is, like the stock, you don't think you're worth investing in. But if you invest in yourself, you come to these events, you're saying to yourself, I'm worth investing in. So show to yourself that you're worth investing in. Come to these mastermind events, and I can guarantee you a lot of good things will happen for you and your life will change. So those are my tips for today. I hope you got a lot of value. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. This is Victor Dedaj signing off from Las Vegas. Have a wonderful day.